Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 that generation here guys, year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find the relay for the AC clutch, where the AC clutch relay is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money, all that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So where is the AC clutch relay now located on a Ford guys F-150? We'll demonstrate on 2016 model. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's under the hood. And once you pop your hood open, you come behind the car battery. Okay, that's your car battery, and right behind it there, that's the fuse box. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. And you can see guys, you have different here fuses, relays that could be really hard to find or really expensive, overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the relay for the AC clutch that we'll need to check will be in that fuse panel right here. And you can see you have 2 relays next to each other right here guys. 2 relays next to each other, but if you look on that right one, right here, that's the one for the AC clutch. If your AC does not work or you need to find the fuse for the AC clutch, we have the video on the channel that will teach you which 2 fuses you need to check as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. See you guys next time.